It sends me to the peak without no regret. You got no love without no love. You got no regret without no regret. You got no love. A melody where I belong in this life.
നമ്മളൊരല്പം മണിക്കൂറുകൾക്ക് മുമ്പ് ഇവരെ മണവാളനും മണവാട്ടിയും എന്ന് നമ്മൾ വിളിച്ചു. ഇപ്പോൾ ആ സ്റ്റേജൊക്കെ കൊണ്ട് മാറി ഇപ്പോൾ നവ ദമ്പതികൾ ആയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നവ ദമ്പതികൾക്ക് നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ഒരു ആശംസ അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ ഈ സമയത്ത് നൽകുന്നു.
Father and mother of the groom, Rajan Papachan and Mariamma Rajan, and the parents of the bride, Thunder Kati Elias and Lily Elias, to join the bride and groom on stage while a devotional song is played in the background.
ഇസ്രായേലിനാഥനായി വാഴ്ത്തേകമിയും ദൈവമാത്രമായി ദൈവം സത്യനായി ഭൂമിയിൽ പിറന്നു സ്നേഹദൈവം നിത്യജീവനെ ഇടുന്നു ദൈവം. ചെങ്കടലിൽ നീയെന്നു പാത തെളിച്ചു, മരുവിൽ മക്കൾക്കു മന്ന പൊഴിച്ചു. എരിവീലിൻ മേഘത്തണലായി ഇരുളിൻ സ്നേഹനാളമായി സീനാമാമലമുകളിൽ നീതി പ്രമാണങ്ങൾ പകർന്നേ. ചെങ്കടലിൽ നീയെന്നു പാത തെളിച്ചു, മേഘത്തണലായി ഇരുളിൽ സ്നേഹനാളമായി മാമലമുകളിൽ നീതി പ്രമാണങ്ങൾ പകർന്നേ. പിതാവേ രാജ്യം വരേണമേ അങ്ങേ തിരുനിറം ഭൂമിയിൽ എന്നെന്നും നിറവേറേണമേ.
Thank you for the beautiful rendition of the song. I know a lot of you here are very familiar with my brother Roji Rajan, but Harsha is new to the family and I thought it would be good to have a brief introduction of hers. I couldn't be happier to welcome my new Bhavi into the family. Well, my first impressions of her was, like, the thing that struck me first is beauty comes in small packages. So what do you guys think? Is that right? Yes? Alright, Harsha is the daughter of Mr. Thandekati Elias and Lily Elias, and they're from Wayanad, which is about 120 kilometers from Mysore. She completed her schooling at Meenangari and her degree at Maharajas College, Bangalore in Visual Communication. She also completed her post-graduation in Visual Arts from Jain University, Bangalore. For the last 3 years, she is working as senior web designer at Concentric Batch Private Limited, Bangalore. So that's her background, and now she's joining a family, starting this newly wedded life, and we wish you all the very best and hearty congratulations. Now I request our uncle Santosh Pavachan to speak a few words about my brother.
So I am, as Roshan mentioned, I am Santosh Pavachan, one of the many uncles Roji has got. This is a momentous occasion for our family because we, over and above, of course it is Roji's and Harsha's wedding, but also it is the first wedding in the Pavachan family. We have 11 more to go. So, it is a momentous occasion. And it could not have been, this beginning could not have been for a better person. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the young couple and wish them the best as they embark on this exciting and adventurous journey. It's no menial task, but I'm sure these guys are up for it. They are more than capable of handling it. I have been personally entrusted in the responsibility of introducing Roji. I don't know whether to roast him or to congratulate him. Okay, for people who have attended the last couple of functions, last couple of days, are already aware of Roji's skill sets. They span the entire spectrum. So his professional achievements is not something that I'm going to talk about because it's not something that you cannot pull up from a LinkedIn search. So I'm not going to talk about that he's a technical lead in some company. That's fine. No, I'm not doing that. Rather, I'm going to spend the next 5 minutes introducing Roji the person. The person whom a lot of us know as this extremely vibrant, joyful and friendly being who can be as goofy as during my days Johnny Lever or at one moment, but on the other hand it could be as serious as a corporate CEO. He could span that spectrum pretty easily and I've seen him many times over do that. I have known Roji since the time he was born. Probably I think the first time I saw him was probably at the baptism, 3 or 4 months. And I witnessed him growing up as a fun-loving kid. And when I would visit him in Mysore when he was like a 3-year-old, 4-year-old kid, he would talk about collecting his Aata Saman. Now, I can either understand Malayalam or Gujarati or Hindi. Aata Saman means, in Malayalam it means dance gadgets. And I didn't know that it stands for toys in Kannada. It took me a long time to understand that. But his dance gadgets came in handy yesterday night when he gave us a performance. And the other thing I remember about him when he was young was he always talked about his two friends, Fudarfan and Furesh. Now Fudarfan and Furesh, it took me some time to understand that that's Sudarshan and Suresh. So, but he had lots of fun times during those days. So I always know Roji as a guy who is interested in reading newspapers, knowing about world events. There was one publication that he was particularly fond of. He called it the Tao of Mafui. The Tao of Mafui, maybe the Mysore people know it's the star of Mysore. But he called it the Tao of Mafui when he was young. Anyway, so lots of fun experience with Roji as he was growing up. I was growing up too. And every time I visited this family, it's always been a fun experience for me. I know he is ready to take on the world. He has already shown his caliber. He's leading some complex IT projects for some leading companies in the world. At the same time, this is the most important part that I care about. He shows compassionate family values. He interacts with the gazillion members of the family, both on the mother's side and on the father's side. In great many occasions, he has been the bridge between families and has been the liaison between the young and the old. That's too important for us because many a times we the older generation feel that we are not able to connect to the younger guys. Roji is our liaison. He goes back and forth between us and them, trying to make us understand what they are going through. An important role he's been playing for many years now. He's been a beacon for the very young, including my own kids. They are probably about 10 or 15 years younger than them. He's been encouraging them, being a mentor to some of those kids. There are kids who are residing in far-flung places who would do anything if Roji calls them to do stuff. The reason is Roji has always done that for each one of those kids. That's the reason. He's always been there for each one of those 15 or 20 or 25 other cousins that he interacts with. So that's a man, that's a Roji, that's a man that I have known. So as I stand here in this momentous occasion, I would like to address the lady of the day, Harsha. Harsha, I would like to assure you that the man you've chosen is an amazing person who would be on your side through glory days and evil times, through happiness and sadness, through exciting adventures and navigating complex family issues. He's a proven man, ready for whatever comes next. And you would realize this in no time. Good luck and best wishes to both of you. Thank you.
Older generation, so I'm very surprised to hear him say that. But I have to tell you, growing up with my brother was not easy. It felt like I was living in the shadows all the time. He was, and still is, this wonderful human being that everyone absolutely adores. And I think you've heard some of that from Santosh Uncle as well. You could ask anyone from my extended family here. Everybody loves Roji. I could never live up to such tall standards. For the first years of my school life, I was always and only been Roji's sister. And you know this. He was 3 years ahead of me in school. He had somehow managed to woo all of the teachers there. And I had those same teachers who only saw me as a sister. I had really no identity of my own for the first few years of my life. But as most of you know, my brother already know, people love him because he has this incredible capacity to put everyone else's needs before his. He is so generous, loving, kind, thoughtful and helpful. Except for my dad, of course. Sorry, brother. I've always been my dad's favorite. But you do have the entire rest of the family on your side. My brother has been such a huge part of my life. He'd let me play cricket with his friends. His friends were some of my first friends. My brother used to teach me all of his school lessons throughout primary and high school. Thanks to him, I had a lot of half-baked knowledge 3 years ahead of my class. But I would say definitely gave me a different perspective as I went through my schoolwork. We would mock fight as kids all the time. The nice guy that he is, he let me be Hulk Hogan. This is my favorite and one of the stronger players in the WWF tournament. And he would agree to be 1 to 3 kid. I don't know if you remember this, but this 1 guy was like one of the weakest and rather funny guy in the tournament, so I could beat him. This is not to say that our lives together was all rosy and fun. It was not. We fought like there's no tomorrow. He can be nasty when he's angry, and he's been downright mean and tough to me. But I can safely say that I wouldn't be the person that I am today if not for my brother. He has always been and will be my best friend. There is nothing in this world that I wouldn't confide in him. And today he's starting a new phase in his life. He's bringing the beautiful Harsha into our family. I cannot be happier for the two of them, and I wish them both the very best. I hope they make each other happy as early possible. Harsha, it's important for you to know that there is a lot of goodwill that surrounds Vaya. You'd be surprised to know that a lot of people would be willing to go out of their way for him. I hope the two of you have a delightful life together. And to celebrate the love between the wonderful couple and our families, I invite the two of you to cut this meditation.
तुम तो दरअसल ख्वाब की बात हो, चलती मेरे ख्यालों में तुम साथ साथ हो, मिलती है जो अचानक वो सौगात हो। तुम तो दरअसल मीठी सी प्यास हो, लगता है ये हमेशा के तुम आस पास हो, ठहरा है जो लबों पे वो एहसास हो। तेरी अदा अदा पे मरता मैं, वफा वफा सी करता क्यों, हदों से हूँ गुजरता मैं, जरा जरा जरा। तुम तो दरअसल सांसों का साज हो, दिल में मेरे छुपा जो वही राज राज हो, कल भी मेरा तुम ही हो।
First of all, let me thank you all for being there. That's the single biggest thing actually today. I'm really happy that all of you are here. But moreover, this process took actually a pretty long time. So my dad has been trying to arrange everything today for the last 6 months, and the only thing on his mind was how to get this 1 week done, and he's been toiling hard day in and day out. So of course he has his band of friends and relatives who have helped and supported him, but I absolutely do not have any words in my vocabulary to thank him enough for what he has done. And I don't know, I seriously don't know what to say. I don't know, I won't ever be able to express it, but really thank you for that extremely hard work. And of course, anything that my dad does, there has to be that strong pillar. My mom, she's always there with him. And thank you so much, and I know how much you have worked hard for this. I think you must be happy that it's over now and we can get back to our normal lives. But thank you so much. Of course, I have all my relatives here, people who have flown in from the US, from Australia, from Dubai. I know it's in between school years for them, so not everybody could make it, but people from Baroda, from Kerala, everybody made it actually. We had close to 250 members of only our family attending this yesterday's and today's function. So I'm really grateful to one and all who actually made it. I'm really happy. I can't thank you enough. Correct. So the next major thing was, of course, marriage is never easy. So it has its own, getting married is not easy. I know marriage is not easy, but getting married is also not easy. So it has its own, pain points here and there. So I really want to thank our Vicar, Reverend Father Saji Daniel. I mean, he had the moral support and talking to him actually means a lot, and it does help a lot. Thank you so much, Father. It really means a lot. Of course, Bishop couldn't be here, but I don't know. I'll thank him later. But, of course, he has a big bunch of friends, the entire Lions family, and I can't thank them enough because they have been behind them for everything. I know Lion Manjunath Rao and Nazir uncle is somewhere here. They have been behind him throughout. Nagendra Prasad uncle is there. So I'm not taking anybody's names because I will invariably miss somebody and I don't want to do that. But you guys know, but absolutely I'm really grateful. Of course, my band of brothers from church, they had such huge task of arranging everything at the church, and those guys showed immense talent, doing what they do so best. So thank you so much, guys. I think all my extended family also. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.
Alright, I guess that's it. Again, thank you very much to everyone who came from near and far and made this a very special day for all of us. Hope you have a fun time with music, food, dancing and drinks. Enjoy and have a good evening. Thank you.
वफा सी करता क्यों हदों से हूँ गुजरता मैं जरा तुम तो दरअसल सांसों का साज हो दिल में मेरे छुपा जो वही राज हो कल भी मेरा तुम ही हो मेरा आज हो कल भी मेरा तुम ही हो मेरा आज हो पानी हो तुम कागज की कश्ती हूँ मैं तुझ में कहीं मैं बह जाता हूँ मिलने हूँ तुमसे आता वापस नहीं जा पाता थोड़ा वहीं मैं रह जाता हूँ तुम तो दरअसल एक नया नूर हो मुझ में भी हो जरा दूर हो जैसी भी हो हमेशा ही मंजूर हो जैसी भी हो हमेशा ही मंजूर हो अक्सर दिल ये किसी को देकर लगता हंसी है सारा शहर अब देख तेरा होकर ऐसा असर है मुझ पर हंसता रहूं मैं आठों पहर अफसानों में तुम बार बार हो, इनकार में जो छुपा है वो इकरार हो, इनकार में जो छुपा है वो इकरार हो, इनकार में जो छुपा है वो इकरार हो।
सज धज बन ठन चले किधर, बदली हुई है कैसे आज ये नजर। सज धज बन ठन चले किधर, बदली हुई है कैसे आज ये नजर। कैसे ढंग में तू आ गया, बेढंगी 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 बेढंगी। ओए फिरंगी, ओए फिरंगी, तू हुआ फिरंगी। ओए फिरंगी, ओए फिरंगी, ओए फिरंगी, तू हुआ फिरंगी। ओए फिरंगी। कच्चे जेहे कच वर्गा, हे सुचे जेहे सच वर्गा। आसा मेरे दिल नू तेरियां वे, तेरियां 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 वे। नैनों से पढ़ ले होठों की तहरीरें, इश्क मिलाएगा दोनों की तकदीरें। नैनों से पढ़ ले होठों की तहरीरें, इश्क मिलाएगा दोनों की तकदीरें।